Listen, two of Jamaica's reggae legends, me I'm gonna call them reggae soldiers because you see them come out. They collaborated on a single called Redemption. Luciano is with me. We're gonna try and hook up with Mikey later on, and they're gonna talk to us about this song, the messenger himself, Lucy, Mikey General on Zoom. Luciano, how you do, brother?
Greetings, Empress. Nice to see you.
Always the messenger, man.
Holding the faith, man, you know?
Always the messenger. I'm listening to the lyrics of Redemption. What inspired the single?
You know, we're going to look and see what's happening in the music industry today and the type of music that they're really sending out and the kind of, because the younger generation gravitate to whatever they hear. And we see what's happening, that the whole generation gone astray.
Yeah.
The dress code, not to mention that because that's a big disgrace. So we want to try to see if we can really redeem the generation by sending out some more positive vibration, conscious lyrics, inspiration. And who's better to collaborate with than my brethren Mikey General, who's been on the forefront dealing with good music over the years. Mikey General, a general in your arms.
Yeah, man. So, and you're why sometimes we hear collaborations, and say, oh, this come about. Oh, you and Mikey decides that together we're gonna put out this, and because we have this passion not just for the music but for the message of the music.
Well, you know, honestly, we always try to do a little thing from time to time.
Yeah.
We always collaborate and do something because Mikey General and I, we are like one of the longest duo you could have said.
It's the way you try it. I see that coming across visually because even the vibe of the video, we're sharing the same mic, we're vibing together. It's one music, two messengers coming with this single message.
Definitely.
How important is it, Lucy? From the other day, many people said to me, reggae music is healing. You know, all over the world, even in this pandemic, people are more and more gravitating towards our music.
Definitely.
Because of what it represents. How important is it for us to understand that responsibility?
As you mentioned that, I will just shed a light on the fact that there are herbs out there in our backyards that can heal us. But sometimes we walk past it, spit on it, and they know the value of it, even live of life. Sometimes people take it for a joke. But that's one of the biggest, one of the best herbs right now in the garden there. It's the same thing with the music. A lot of people might just brush past it, just forget some little up-tempo music. We have to say, dance or shake your booty. But, you know, when you check it out, at the end of the day, if you want inspiration, if you want a good meditation, if you want, because especially in this time, crime and violence escalating, as I say in the song. When you lose a loved one, you can't go listen to about shake no booty. You need to listen to some good music.
We're going
to soothe you and make you feel back, you know, strengthen yourself. A Garnet Silk or a Dennis Brown or Luciano or Mikey General or a Bob Marley. You know, this is for me. This is how I go about my life.
That's your purpose.
That's how I go about my life.
Yeah, that's your purpose.
I go through tribulation because, you know, as a messenger on the front line, we have to face all of our things. People bad mind you. If they could have give you a good big foot, then give you.
Yes. That's why I go.
But
you can't, if you follow...
Not the Gideon, I say, no problem.
Change your shoes. If them give you a big foot, just change the shoes.
I don't put on my slippers.
And put on your slippers. That's how me always do it. Mikey?
Yeah, man.
General?
Hello.
What go on?
Where blessed?
Blessed Queen, blessed.
We can't see him.
No, we can hear him. We're not going to be able to see him. We're just talking about this great single Redemption, Mikey. How was the experience for you? Luciano has been explaining the collaboration and everything. Him love work with you. I don't know if you love work with him.
I'm a brother, man. I love Luciano. I'm like, what you say, man? I'm a real brother, that man. I say, man, a years, you know.
Respect.
A years. We've been on the road years doing the work and things. So, it doesn't say, we just coming like Elijah and Elisha, you know?
Yes.
And Moses and Aaron, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
General, let me interject there. Just make mention of the producer who called you about the collaboration that he wanted.
His name is this is Dub Style Records from New York.
Dub Style Records from New York.
So big up Dub Style.
Sound system crew. So tell me, Mike. I mean, I've heard from Lucian himself just how important the song is for him. The message for you as an artist, how important is it for you?
It is very important. You know, you remember recently the Prime Minister was saying about, you know, the state of Jamaican music, like in say, boy, we start playing more positive music.
Right.
You know what I mean? I I believe that the music affect the minds of the people. You know what I mean? You notice when Gilbert and them big star they play pass through, them can't play a certain sketch song. It can't play on the radio. People don't want to hear that. They want to hear some song. They want to hear some song to strengthen them when they might go through hard time. You know what I mean? And right now we are going through a difficult time in Jamaica too.
Yeah.
Right now we are going through a difficult time because Jamaica under this crime and violence and this COVID thing. You know what I mean? So we need some music to uplift way. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I'm glad that we are able to do that.
Yeah. Lucy, any new projects coming out?
Well, I have so many things. I'm remixing. Well, don't let me say I am. Mm-hmm. We are remixing. I have to say enough respect to Mountain Pete Records. Brother Anthony Gadd is the chief producer, executive producer of this album. We are remixing most of my hits, big hits like Lord Give Me Strength, It's Me Again, Your World and Mine, Who Could It Be? We're remixing it, giving it a little different mix and, you know, some, you know, world beats, putting it in a different vibration at the people, even appealing to the younger generation.
Yeah, connect with it a different way.
Any segment.
Yeah, message always relevant and connected. Mikey, for you before we go?
We'll have a new album out now. Yeah, released last year, so I'm doing some promotion on it still. And, you know, we're promoting this new single as well. So
definitely.
We're kind of busy.
Yeah.
Busy bad.
All right. Well, you know, we always love to hear the music from you, gentlemen.
I have another single that Brother Dignitary Stylish and I.
Did?
It's coming too. So we're doing a lot of collaboration.
All right.
And as you know, the one with Nature Ellis and I did well. It's still going to Jah. So we're constantly working. Sending out good message, inspiration for the people.
All right, people. Look out for the music, you know. Look out for the music. Thank you so much, Mikey General and Luciano, for speaking with us. Still to come in 10 minutes to your health. We're going to discuss fibroids. It's Fibroid Awareness Month. Luciano, never run gone with him guitar. Him supposed to do a thing for me, but never run gone with the guitar. So after the break, we have to go find the guitar and make Lucy do something for me. Never.